102. But here, pay-per-view, what are we saying about this? Pay-per-view and how everything today is paid for. You to come up and search, paid for. Your ad, paid for, paid for. I see these big channels now. These big channels are being advertised on other platforms. Like, how does that work? So they're doing a or coexisting, whatever the hell, collaborating with other. Come on, landscape blower man, let's go. He has no days. He's probably on the clock. He doesn't care, and he has no. Come on, you could have went already, fuckface. There's no one even coming, and you're just sitting here. Landscape dude. I'm gonna cut him off in a second. I'm not waiting. And now we have more cars. Look at old Mercedes wagon. This guy's a fucking dick. Seriously, you're an asshole. Green Heron, full service landscape management company, and you can't fucking make the goddamn turn. You can't merge onto this fucking road over here. Are you fucking shitting me? I'm gonna cut your ass off. Well, I didn't have to. You see, they go in the worst possible spot. Like this, what a fucking dick. Seriously, like what a fucking. You go like this. You go like this, and then you got New Jersey guy over here, and you go, bah, fuck you, Jersey. You go like that, and you're in the freaking road. And it's 98 degrees, so you don't got to worry about doing that in a cold engine because your engine's already 100 degrees. The paid listings for everything. So this gets seen, you're paying. I think I broke my transmission. It's clunking now. Shit, rebuild. Shit. Check out, that's why we almost fucking crashed. The parts house, they're morons as well. Parts delivery guy. Homer on the bike is riding across the street like it's great. Back to following our landscape guy. So much for that. Driving like a maniac. Now my brakes work better. I still got shitty brakes. I gotta ride these brakes for a little bit to get rusty. Ah, yeah, paid for everything. Why are we even making this video for? It's paid. Now that's the condo land freak over here. This guy. This was the guy who thought he was Mr. Police Officer during the storm, and his parts are still falling off his car. He ripped off parts on his car to hop a curb to get out of condo land. And it's still messed up. He's missing the rocker panels, the whole grill. Well, this transmission is clunking. This thing is junk, man. Get what you pay for around here. You get paid for top dollar for shit. Like your paint jobs and your transmission rebuilds is garbage. But yeah, pay for everything. If you don't pay, like I'm not doing, no one sees your stuff. It's just ridiculous, you know. What kind of world is this? Selected by robots. That's how everything is too. You apply to someplace, people all get all depressed about it and shit. Why does no one see me? Why does no one? Nobody sees my stuff. Nobody sees my stuff. And they don't see it because you're not paying. Same like, who knows, maybe people pay shit like that when they want a freaking job these days, because the damn cities and everything, they probably have the same thing. AI, they just have these certain search terms where you don't like you, they enter them in, bam, you got those search terms. There it is, fucking landscape guy again, just jamming on the brakes. This guy's retarded. Like, seriously? Swerving all over the fucking road, this guy, and it's Tacoma. The same guy I want to merge outside condo land. I'm following him right now. Because I got tow truck man in the middle over here. I can't go over there. Jesus. Freaking bozos, man. Hey, finally. Have a leak. No. Have a heat warning here. Finally. It's been a decade. People at the pool don't care. But some people complain about their car gets too hot. This thing doesn't get hot. That hot. Two reasons. With white, small cab, which you need down here. You should get, everyone should be driving like a little Tacoma around here. Not that terribly hot, but my shade fell down in the back, so it's a little warmer. I have a shade on every window. That's custom. A little humid in here. That's like a cheap one off a dollar store one I found in a car. Custom fit inside, and that will keep majority. It's still hot in there, but instead of being like 100, I get the waft of heat. I gotta stand over here, it's too hot. You don't get it. So that's what you could do. You just need for the side windows, you need reflective cardboard. It's getting hard to find. Look at the condo land stop and chat over here, right at the speed bump, you stupid fuckers. Oh man. Now, I love when I do this shit. I do this shit for 10 minutes. People look at my just stay up and stare over here too. Look at this shit, dude. See that? They just will stop right there. They will just stop their car and chat in the middle of the road. I gotta fix this. So that's my video with the junk. And someone's, not my shit, someone's collection of garbage. Yeah, they ripped it up here too, so it's not that big of a deal. And then to be replaced. Again, like everything I do, like with this thing, you know, there's something else happens. It's just unbelievable. And they're still there in the middle of the damn street chatting over here, these people. Look at this shit, they're still there. And someone's gonna come. What's gonna happen right now? The amount of traffic that's in this place. It's unbelievable. Someone's coming right now. See this shit? Condo land. They've been there for like 5 minutes. Someone's coming now, I think. Yeah, they're gonna make them go around. They're just gonna make them stop for them because they're selfish bastards. Someone was coming. Well, now they finally broke up the conversation. You just don't talk and chat in the freaking road. That's like what they used to do in the Northeast. I couldn't stand that shit. You had the yuppies. It's an end thing. Oh man, look at this. We got bugs in here. So we get the screen broken. Alright, so that's how you keep your car cool. Make shades. Only 96 feels like 103. Yeah, when I was riding around yesterday, I was reading 100 on the truck, and never does that. I finally, oh, look at heat warning, man. Heat advisory. Finally. It's been 10 years since I've haven't even seen this. 10 years. Needs it though. It needs it. Finally acknowledging that it's hot here. Usually they don't do this because I don't do it. Well, I see Orlando, they'll never do it because of tourism. This is the deal. They never want to make it out as this place is uninhabitable in the summertime for outdoor activities because then it hurts tourism. So they constantly will censor the weather here and have a cooler return like number than what it really is. They've been doing it for years. It's another thing. Some people think it's like a conspiracy theory or something. No, it's not. They actually will say that it's cooler out than what it is. This so people from afar look at like the 7-day forecast or whatever. They actually lower it every day, but the real temp is always higher. Like they'll like today is only like going to be like 92, but it's really like 105. But later in the day they update the temperature 105, and then tomorrow they'll pull the same shit 92, you know, or it's like the 88 degrees or 85 degrees is a high when it's really like 95 degrees. And they just constantly do that throughout the week, the weather people. Just so tourists from afar, they think they're getting 80-degree weather instead of 95-degree weather. It's a trick. They've been doing it. I know what they're up to. So that's the deal with that. What else is due? We got comments to do. We're running out of time. We got told people to go fuck off. What else is going on? I don't know. Miles arguments. I don't know. Blah 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 blah. I don't know. I don't even see half these comments. And then Google censoring everyone if you are not noticing. It's really crazy. So that is the deal with that. Held for review. You got any toxic comments? 2 minutes of hate? Any 2 minutes of hate? You are so stupid. No, I think we cleared everything out. I'm kind of done with this. Really, it's pointless. The internet really is toxic with worthless people, and to share anything on it is pointless. Even if it helps someone, and it's pointless, you know. They should go read a book or something like I'm doing. I'm reading books. It's fun.